In this video, I'm going to break down a Navy Federal credit hack that nobody is talking about that can increase your credit score and save you money. Now, if you're a member of Navy Fed, drop in the comments section, what is your favorite products and service with Navy Federal? This credit hack that I'm going to break down, I'm going to give you two options on how you can use this to increase your credit score and save money at the same time. And we're going to jump into it in this video. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, set your notification bells so you can be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Also, I am reopening up my personal consultations. So if you guys want to sign up for that, you can do so at my website. I am going to leave that link in the pinned comment section and in the description of the video. Guys, please only use those options, because last time I did this, the scammers was coming out the woodwork. If I am messaging you, you will see my name highlighted in gray with a check mark next to it, so you know that I am verified, so you can sign up at my website. Also, you guys, I give a free hard inquiry removal package, because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit, and you can download that for free. I also have deletion removal packages at my website for purchase if you need to remove negative items off your credit report. Because in this year, you guys, we are trying to leverage our credit to get assets in 2023. Now, if you're not familiar with Navy Federal Credit Union, it is the largest credit union in the United States and in the world. So with Navy Federal, it is a relationship banking institution that is designed to help those who are in the military and their family, and also contractors that are connected to the military. So for you to join, you need to be connected with the military or a service contractor. But I did do a video on some backdoor options to get into Navy Federal. If you're interested in joining, I will leave that video in the description of this video and the pinned comment section, so you guys can check that out. Now, with this hack with Navy Federal, what you want to do with this hack is understand how you want to use it to increase your credit score. And one thing you need to understand is how the credit system and your credit score is being calculated. So number one, 35% of your score is payment history, meaning how you paid your bills in the past. Now, the second largest factor is utilization, debt to available credit, which is 30%, and the second largest chunk of your credit score. The third largest chunk, which is 15%, is age of credit. You have mix of credit, new inquiries, or as we say, hard inquiries, because that is 10%, and banks are weary if it looks like you're going around looking for credit. So that's how your credit score is calculated and made up. With this credit hack, we're going to try to affect our utilization, okay, that category, which is the fastest way to increase your credit score. And with this strategy, what you want to do to help increase your credit score, with the first option, Navy Federal allows you to allocate your credit lines to another card. Meaning, if you have more than one credit card with Navy Federal, you can take part of your credit line from one card and add it to another card. Now, by doing this, you can even actually take that whole card credit line and add it to another card without really losing any overall credit lines. So unlike shutting a credit card down, which you should never do because it decreases your credit score because you reduce your available revolving credit, in this case, you're not reducing it. You're just transferring it to another card, and it does not affect your credit score negatively. So if you have two credit cards with Navy Federal, and if you don't know, Navy Federal is known to give large credit lines even with people with lower credit scores because it is a relationship bank. It is not unusual for a person to apply for a Navy Federal credit card, first credit card, and get a $20,000 credit card, $25,000, or even a $30,000 credit card. So if you have two cards, for instance, that are $25,000, you can take one of those cards and add it to the other card, and now you have a $50,000 credit card. So if you currently have a large amount of credit card debt on another card, and that card is being used over 60% because it's close to being maxed out, that is reducing your credit score. Even if you have other open credit lines and it says your overall utilization is good, let's say it's 29%, but because one card is close to being maxed out, it's reducing your score. That's how the algorithm works. You want to bring down your credit cards lower than that 60%. And that's on one card, even if all the rest of the card limits are open. But sometimes what you're doing is using the card with the biggest line. By adding the two Navy Federal credit card lines together, you're creating a larger line of credit. And Navy Federal have low interest rates on their credit card. So you can move that debt. Say if that card there is a $35,000 credit card. Now, when you added those two Navy Federal credit card lines together, you have a $50,000 credit card. And if that $35,000 credit card has a $30,000 balance, you can now transfer that balance over to that Navy Federal credit card that has that new $50,000 line. Now, in order to do that with Navy Federal, to add those credit lines, it has to be for you to do a balance transfer, and then they could put in that request. And one of the requirements is that cards that you have to at least be open for a year to transfer your balance. But the great thing about Navy Fed, they don't have a fee for transferring a balance. So they don't have a balance transfer fee. So you can save money, reduce your interest on that other credit card, because Navy Federal have lower interest rates, and you can save money and then bring that balance to this new created $50,000 credit card, and now your credit score can go up. So you can use that hack to increase your credit score and now give yourself a larger line of credit to bring your utilization down and increase your score without paying that debt off if you don't have that $30,000, because a lot of people don't. And now you have it on this new card. It's a lower interest rate and you can pay off that debt faster and see your score to go up. They do allow you to do that with other debts. So if you have a student loan debt or another debt that you're paying, you can move it to that card and pay a lower interest rate. Now, what you have to do is make sure you give them at least 48 hours in order to see those two cards or part of that card limit combined, because you don't necessarily have to shut that whole card down. But if you choose to, you can just double the one credit line on that one card. Now, once you do that, at least you got to give them 48 hours so you can see that credit line change to that added line, and then call Navy Fed and they will want the information to that debt for that card, and then you can transfer that debt of that card. Now, in this example, I said a $30,000 debt. Navy Federal will only allow you for each transaction to move $30,000 at a time from one transaction. So in my example, let's say you have a $60,000 debt, and with Navy Federal, if you have the flagship, that credit card goes all the way up to a credit limit of $80,000. So with that $60,000 debt, you can't just transfer it over because Navy Fed transaction is $30,000 at a time. But the great part is you can do this all in one day. They just have to do $30,000 and then $30,000. So there's not a large time limit that you have to wait. So you want to just keep that in mind. They'll have to do 2 transactions because at the max is at $30,000. Also, what you would need to know with Navy Fed, when you're doing this, you can only do it once a year of transferring or reallocating that credit line. So you can only do it once, and then you have to wait for another year if you want to do that again. Now, just like the example of the $60,000 debt, understand Navy Federal credit cards, all of those except for the flagship, their cards are capped at $50,000. Okay, that's the highest limit, except for the flagship that goes to $80,000. So if you have a $60,000 debt, you cannot then turn around and put that, even if you combine those lines on, for an example, a cash rewards card or even the platinum card, because it is capped at $50,000 and you can't put a $30,000 debt. You would need that flagship credit card, but you can call Navy Federal if that card line is over $5,000. You can ask them for a product change for the flagship card, so you can have that potential of having that $80,000 credit line. But keep in mind, with a product change, you do have to have that card for a year. Now, your second option, if you don't have 2 credit cards or multiple cards with Navy Fed, to reduce that cost of that high interest rate of another card, or to transfer a balance for a larger line so you can bring up your credit score if your utilization is too high on a particular card without paying it off, you can apply for the platinum card. Now with their platinum card, it does have the lowest interest rate. And going back to what I said earlier, Navy Fed is really a bank of a institutional relationship with their customers. They will give you a larger line of credit even with a lower score many of times. So you might want to apply for a new platinum card that would be able and is designed for a balance transfer. And right now they do have a new lower introductory rate for interest for these types of balance transfers. So you can just apply for a new card, move that balance from that other credit card over to your Navy Federal new credit line. So that balance will be less of a balance on that card, and you can possibly get a larger line of credit with Navy Federal that will increase your credit score by moving that debt, because that other card is close to being maxed out. And with that introductory rate, you can save money. So let's check that out. Now, when you come here to the Navy Federal website, you want to go under loans and credit cards. Then I suggest that you go through the pre-qualification process. So once you hit this pre-qualification, you will have to sign into your account, and then you will have to come back out and see if you can pre-qualify, and it'll show you the cards that you pre-qualify for. But with the platinum card, it is one of the easiest cards to get approved for besides the secured credit card. So even if you have some issues with your credit, one thing about Navy Federal, they do have FICO score 9 through TransUnion, who they're going to pull from. And with FICO score 9, they don't take account of medical bills. So with this right now, they're running a promotion. So you, as an introductory rate for 12 months, you can get this interest rate of 0.99% APR on balance transfers for the next 12 months. Now, after the 12 months is up, your APR can be as low as 10.24% up to 18%. So if you have a higher credit card APR with balances right now, by opening this card, you can transfer your balance over to this card and take advantage of this rate. So hopefully this information was helpful to you. If you have questions, you could put your comments and your questions in the comment section, or reach me at my website, and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.